When it comes to manifesting and the law of attraction, we all desire to see our objectives and intentions come true as soon as possible. Spending hours, if not years, seeking to manifest might cause us to lose desire and passion, eventually giving up on personal, spiritual, and life-changing improvements. As a result, you may boost your manifestation and acquire everything you want faster. In this video, we will cover the 9 strategies I use to promote the law of attraction, which has enabled me to create everything I want in the shortest amount of time. This is all I'm going to teach you in this video, so keep watching until the end because you'll realize how powerful you are, and if you're new to this YouTube channel or haven't subscribed to it yet, please do so by clicking the red subscribe button below this video and pressing the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from our YouTube channel. Let's now not waste more time and get right to it. The key is to be focused and purposeful about the things that bring about manifestation the quickest. These methods have assisted me in increasing my optimism, transforming my mentality, and eventually attracting my life wishes as quickly as possible. 1. Write your manifestation on paper before sleep. The first step in any manifesting process is to specify exactly what you want the universe to produce, grow, and provide. It is essential to get your ideas, thoughts, and ambitions out of your head and into paper. It is easier to recognize what is significant to you after you have put out your manifestation objectives. Furthermore, you have taken the time to compose your manifestation, demonstrating to your subconscious mind that your desired objective is unique and valuable. To materialize more quickly, make a list of all your desired goals before going to bed. When you wake up, go through the list and make a list of tasks to perform that day to move you closer to your manifestation. For example, if you wanted to reduce 12 pounds of body fat, your assignment for the day may be to exercise for 60 minutes during your lunch break. For manifestation to occur, you must take action on your written objectives every day, otherwise, manifestation will stay a notion, idea, or wish in your head, never to be realized. 2. Play subliminal messages throughout sleep. Listening to subliminal messages while sleeping is one of the most simple and effective ways to rewire your subconscious mind towards manifestation. The phrases and statements on these subliminal songs imprint on your subconscious mind, dissolving limiting beliefs. Consider hearing 8 hours of positive subliminal messages focused on your core objective every night. Transformation is required. Choose only one form of subliminal message that is in line with your most important aim for the greatest outcomes. Use a playlist that lasts at least 90 minutes and up to 8 hours. The longer you play the track, the more deeply it imprints your subconscious mind, and this is where the shift occurs. Wear earbuds or earphones and fall asleep. Because your subconscious mind never sleeps, subliminal messages will do the job. As a result, such words are instantly absorbed into the mind. 3. Visualize receiving your manifestation twice daily. Our minds think in images rather than words, and our subconscious mind is unable to distinguish between what is imagined and what is real. As a result, by using visualization twice a day, you may deceive your subconscious mind into thinking your manifestation has already come. As a result, your vibrational energy rises, and the law of attraction brings opportunities your way. Visualization trains your subconscious mind to believe that your manifestation is true, and you attract ideas, thoughts, and opportunities from unlimited knowledge. The use of visualization accelerates the law of attraction and manifestation. To make visualization work, assume that you have already achieved your goals and are experiencing thrilling sensations. Visualization before sleep and first thing in the morning for 5 to 10 minutes can help you manifest faster. 4. Use meditation to focus your mind on your manifestation. You have to relax and manage your mind in order for your manifestation to materialize fast. According to research, meditation is the most reliable method for doing this. Depending on the activity, our brains vibrate at different frequencies. These are the brain states: gamma, beta, alpha, theta, delta. Our brains must be in a theta brain state for manifestation to occur. It appears when your conscious mind is turned off and your subconscious mind is activated. This condition of calm and peace might take an experienced mediator 5 to 10 minutes to achieve. A beginner mediator may need to double that time to reach the theta level. When you feel entirely calm and have perfect control over your breathing, your mind has reached theta, and the subconscious mind is quickly engaged. To increase your chances of manifesting success, start using visualization at this time since the images you're forming are going right into your subconscious mind. Meditating before visualization has been practiced for hundreds of years, and more recently, Neville Goddard popularized it by referring to it as the state akin to sleep. He learned that it was the best moment to imprint your wish on the mind and the cosmos. 5. Keep your positive vibration high. To make the law of attraction work for you, you must be in vibrational harmony with the things you wish to attract. For example, if you want to attract more money into your life, you must raise your money vibration to equal the amount of money you want to attract. The greatest way to raise your vibratory frequency is to be exceedingly optimistic, happy, and enthusiastic about the arrival of your manifestation. Worry, doubts, anxieties, and tension over your goal repel the manifestation, and the attraction does not occur. If you are overly concerned with money, you may attract the reverse and receive debt and financial difficulties instead of riches and prosperity. As a result, maintain your positive vibrational frequency high at all times, and your manifestations will go more quickly. Furthermore, as your frequency grows, so will your potential to attract more powerful things. 6. Create a vision board with your desires. A vision board is great for promoting your objectives since you may look at it several times each day. Every time you look at your vision board, the images are imprinted on your subconscious mind. The more the images are ingrained in your mind, the more your attention is driven to generating such images in reality. The reason for this is that your subconscious mind only operates in visual format, not in words. As a result, the relationship between your mind and your desire is more intense with visuals. Create a digital vision board to increase your chances of success with a vision board. Install the digital vision board on all of your digital devices, including smartphones, laptops, tables, PCs, and television screens. The more you can see your wishes in picture form, the faster they will emerge. Because they function so effectively, vision boards have been popular for many manifestors for many years. And once you've materialized your wish, don't remove it from your boards because it will provide you with the inspiration and energy to create everything else. 7. Practice scripting to detail your manifestations. Scripting before sleep and first thing in the morning allows your mind to release negative and restricting thoughts and focus on positive. When your mind is full with worries and tensions, writing them down before bed is the greatest way to get rid of them. You are letting go of your problems, which helps to cleanse your mind. Scripting enables you to get rid of the things that get in the way of your thoughts and prepares your mind for the manifestation process. Scripting first thing in the morning is a fantastic way to set your objectives for the day and build a plan for what you want to accomplish. Scripting is also a mechanism for recording your ideas and feelings at various stages during your trip. One of the most intriguing and rewarding aspects of scripting is the ability to reflect on and analyze all of your previous thoughts. You will be particularly positive on certain days, and ideas will flow. On other days, your mood will be low, and everything will seem difficult. Make sure you document everything since it will help with motivation and learning in the future. Scripting is an informal way of talking to yourself without seeming or feeling stupid, and the benefits are enormous. There is no right or wrong method to approach scripting. Simply pull out your diary and begin writing until you are satisfied with what you have written. 8. Create an evening routine 90 minutes before bed. The evening is the most important time of day for getting your thoughts in order and manifesting your desires. The great majority of Americans squander their nights on processed foods, TV, social networking, and other mind-numbing activities. You might also implement an evening ritual that fosters and supports good development. At night, the mind is most susceptible to retraining and influence. As a result, you must ensure that it receives the necessary information. I start my nighttime ritual around 90 minutes before I go to bed. I turn off all electrical appliances and cell phones. According to studies, the blue light emitted by these gadgets inhibits the production of molecules necessary for rejuvenation and deep sleep. I switched out my bedroom light bulbs with low-emitting red lights to simulate a low-light fire, and I turned off the Wi-Fi. I read, meditate, visualize, script, and prepare my thoughts and objectives for the next day. It is critical to end the day with a clear mind focused on your core manifestation goals. 9. Express gratitude and thanks to everything. Gratitude should be a part of your everyday existence, and showing thanks eternally is essential in the law of attraction. Be grateful to yourself and others, but most of all, be grateful for what you already have. We are incredibly privileged to live in a world with so many wonderful options. You attract greater excellence into your life when you are receptive to appreciation. The cosmos will reward those who express gratitude and thankfulness for their blessings. Make a gratitude notebook out of it or include it into your scripting habit. If you don't feel grateful for anything, you need to make some significant adjustments in your life to go on the gratitude path. Examine your day from the minute you awoke and ask yourself what you're grateful for. Make a note of each thing and visualize the precise time. You are preparing your mind and spirit for a fantastic night's sleep, and the cosmos is constantly watching. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found it useful in your manifestation journey. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on it, please leave a comment below the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.